Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how Polymarket works for users in United States. Let's get started. First, this is important to understand. Polymarket is not legally available for US residents to use for trading. If you are physically located in the United States, Polymarket blocks trading access to follow US regulations. So if you are in US, you can visit the website and view markets, but you cannot place trade or use real. Now let's explain how this works and why. Polymarket is a prediction market where people use money to bet on real world outcomes like politics, economics, or current events. If you are right, you earn money. If you are wrong, you lose what you put in. Now open Polymarket on your web browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Polymarket operates outside US financial regulations. Because of this, it does not allow US users to trade. This means you cannot deposit money, you cannot place trade, and you cannot withdraw profit. If you try to connect a wallet from the US, trading features will be disabled. If you are in US, you can still browse and study markets, learn how prediction market work, follow price and outcomes, use Polymarket for educational purposes only. This can be useful if you are learning about market or doing research. And that's it. If you are in US, do not attempt to bypass restrictions. This can lead to account issue or loss of funds. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.